Okay guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Apple Music to Discord. So first, you're going to open a new tab on your browser. Then you want to search for Apple Music to Discord. Then you want to scroll down until you see GitHub. Then you want to click on that link. Then over here at the right side, you'll see releases. Then you want to click on this link. And from here, you want to scroll down to assets and you want to download the corresponding file based on the computer that you are using. So if you are using Windows, then you can download either this one or this one. But I'm just going to download this one. And after it's done downloading, you're going to open the file on your files. Then you want to click on the zip file. Then you're just going to go ahead and extract that. Then you're going to open the folder. Then you'll be able to see Apple Music RPC. It has a very distinguishable logo. So you're just going to double click on that. Then you're going to click on run so that it will be able to open. And after that, it will automatically connect your Discord with Apple Music. Then the next thing that you can do is you're going to open a new tab in your browser. Then you want to search for pre-mid. Then you want to click on the first link. And from here, you're going to click on get started. Then you're going to click on add to Chrome. Then over here, it will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Then you're just going to click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Once the extension has done downloading, you're going to click on the puzzle piece over here at the top. Then you're going to click on pre-mid. Then you're just going to click on link Discord so that you'll be able to connect your Discord account to the pre-mid. Then just click on authorize. And after that, you're going to click on get started over here again. Then you're going to click on choose activities. Then you want to click on browse activity library. And from here, you just want to search for Apple Music in the search bar. Then click on add. And after that, you can go back to Discord. Then when you go ahead and play a music in Apple Music, then you click on your profile, you'll be able to see that Apple Music is appearing here under your name. So I hope this helps and thanks for watching.